In front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate dial pad tones on this phone. So at first let's open your keypad. Here you can check if it's active or not. So currently we've got the tones on, and if you'd like to change it, all you need to do is to reach Settings, then find and select Sound, go a bit lower, and here under Others you will find dial pad tones. So just unmark it, and from now on it will be muted. And then if you would like to turn it on again, just perform the same operation. And this is it, that will be all. This is how you can manage keypad sounds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.